So this one comes from Manuel, and Manuel says, "Hey Neil, I live in Spain. Hola, amigo. And I am wondering if Amazon is good in Spain." Okay, so Amazon's actually great in Spain. Let's just go to the Amazon Spain website, amazon.es. Doink. There we go. Amazon in Spain, actually, it's a fantastic place to sell. Most people don't really think about Amazon in Spain, but it is actually a brilliant place to sell. There's lots and lots of opportunities there. And let me give you kind of a sense of the sort of opportunity that's happening on this particular website. So if we go to similar web, I'll show you how good it is. So this is SimilarWeb. You can find out from here how well your favorite website is doing. This is Amazon in Spain in November, the #1 website for e-commerce in Spain and the #6 website in Spain. So clearly, lots and lots of people are shopping on Amazon in Spain. 205 million customers shop on that particular website, which is, I think we can agree, a lot. Compare that to, well, actually, I know what's going to be even bigger than that, but another website I sell on, Amazon in France, which is great. There you go. So not actually that many more, 251. My French website actually does make more than my Spanish one, but that's only because of the products I sell, I think. I don't think it's got much more to do with that. Anyway, so Amazon in Spain, really, really good. However, quite some time ago in my Amazon Inner Circle, this was like 2018, I noticed something on Amazon.com that I thought was a crazy, crazy good opportunity. And I taught it to all of my Inner Circle members. I'm hoping that they all action that, because I checked it again when I saw this question, and it still is a ludicrously good opportunity. So let me show you what that is. So here is Amazon.com. And if we search for, let's search for this. So let's bring over this. Let's search for kitchen knives. Kitchen knives. Here we go. So here's our search for kitchen knives on Amazon.com. Ooh, aren't they cool looking knives? That's a great looking gift set, but what a terrible score they've got. I would not be running PPC with 3 out of 5 stars. Regardless of how funky they looked, that is a big mistake. Also, terrible idea to run a sponsored PPC advert. I know I'm getting off the topic here, but you know, while we're here, for a knife sharpener when somebody's looking for kitchen knives. That's a clearly bad targeting that could have been fixed by having negative targeting set up, and they've just wasted that particular positioning. Anyway, whatever. It's their money, not mine. So kitchen knives, it says there's 2,000 results, but that's bullshit. There's probably going to be heaps more results. Let's just scroll down and we can find out. If we go to page number 3, there we go. So if ever you see that, by the way, that's a cool little trick, by the way. Amazon, just to kind of whet your appetite, shows you that there's 2,000 results, but if you go to page 3, you actually see how many results there truly are, and you can see here there's actually 10,000 results for kitchen knives, which means it's a very, very competitive area to go into. All right, so that's that. Now let's go to Google Translate. Let's take that, kitchen knives, in English. I do this all the time. Spanish, cuchillos de cocina. Let's just copy that. Doink. Boink. All right, so same again. Look, we've got 853 results, but let's just ignore that. Let's just imagine that that's going to be crap. And let's just go to page 3 and see what there actually is. Oh, 905. So we've gone from 10,000 results to 905 results, okay? Which is, I think we can all agree, significantly less. But what the hell does that matter? Because that's in Spanish. Well, did you know in the US of A, there are 41 million people who speak Spanish. That is, what, it's over 10%, like 13% of the US population speak Spanish. That is a lot. That is a lot. So what I do with all of my listings to put them up there is I use Spanish search terms like that in the back end keywords. So I do that all the time. It's a really, really cool thing to do. And an easy way of doing that, if you don't want to kind of mess up your listing on the back end too much, is to incorporate those Spanish search terms into your metadata for your images. Okay, that's a very simple way of doing that. Incorporate into your metadata for your images. If you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, you can incorporate metadata, which helps your images get searched. Okay, that's basically what that means. Anyway, let's go and have a look at that. Let's just take this to its next logical place. So here I am on Merchant Words. If you don't use Merchant Words, it's super, super cool. All people who are members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs get a very, very special deal on Merchant Words. Go to merchantwords.com/Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, all one word, and you will get to a page where you can get a deal. You'll need a coupon code. That coupon code is AOE. AOE. Let me put that information. Actually, let me just do this first. Into there, into the search terms for you, and you'll get a super, super deal. And the guys at Merchant Words are bloody awesome. I love George. He's a crazy, crazy cat. Sent it all. There you go. All right, so Cuchillos de Cocina. 51,000 searches per month. I mean, that is a significant amount of searches per month. It is certainly sufficient for me to get involved with the searches, and it's certainly uncompetitive enough, 905 results, for me to get very, very into that. And let's just have a look. What is selling? Look at the bestseller. You're seeing that's in here. That's top spot for this particular search term. I mean, that's just nuts. I'm searching for kitchen knives, and my top bestseller is that. That, for me, is a stupidly good opportunity. Like, you don't find that anymore on Amazon, not normally anyway, like where you've got a crazy keyword with heaps and heaps of search, and then the search engine results page is so terrible. I mean, it's just nuts. There's the first knives. There. What's that? Posse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's posse number 7 until you even get to a knife. That's insane. Absolutely insane. Anyway, that's what I think is possibly, I'm going to say, a better opportunity than Amazon in Spain. I believe that would be a better opportunity than that. Let's just have a look, see if we can figure that out for sure. So here's Amazon US. Amazon Spain right there. Doink. So we had 51,000 in the USA for that particular search term. Remember, there's 41 million people versus, yeah, I mean, it's next to nothing. 1,400. Let's try Mexico, because they speak Spanish in Mexico, of course. Dun, dun, dun. I believe this is a super untapped strategy. I mean, that's more 16,000. I would still get involved at 16,000, but I suspect on the Amazon in Mexico website. So let's just quickly do the search again, and we'll just go for Mexico. Oops, idiot. Here we go. 50,000 results. So, you know, this is a crazy opportunity for Amazon.com. There's a shitload of people selling knives in Mexico. There's probably a crap load of people selling knives in Spain. But in the USA, hardly anybody selling, but shitloads of search volume. Anyway, that's just one. There are heaps more. And if you want to find them, just go to the best sellers category. Just go to the best sellers, look at the best sellers. Kitchen knives is a best selling category, top tier category. Just go to them and go and do that what I've just done, and you'll see for yourself there's a ludicrous opportunity with that. Ludicrous. Anyway, so hopefully that gives you some ideas, all right, Manuel? I think that's a better way of doing it. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.